Hey, Steve Basic Architect. We're out here at our historic Reno project. Out here with Shoreline Builders. Jim standing beside me here. And let's do a quick overview. You can see here, we talked about that open plan and how these steel beams really help open the plan. If you saw in those earlier videos there, we were talking about, this little step here that allows us to get a little bit more headroom out here in the family room where we're standing, and then back in the what I'll call the vertically challenged existing house that has the little shallower dimension. But you can see all of our steel posts are in. You got the steel beam there, and it tees into that one monster of a beam, and then there's a column on the far side there. Got our column there, and then that beam tees in here. You can see there's a bolted connection up in there. So really getting cleaned up down here. Got that nice open floor plan. And yeah, Steve Basic Architect out here at our historic Reno project.